June 2007, first iPhone. Announced in January 2007, the original iPhone was introduced by Steve Jobs as a combination of the iPod, a revolutionary mobile phone, and a breakthrough internet communicator. It featured a 3.5 screen, a multi-touch touchscreen display, microphone, headset controls, and specs that the modern smartphone user takes for granted today. July 2008, first phone to beat the iPhone. Year after the original iPhone debuted, its successor hit the market in the form of the iPhone 3G. The second-generation device included several new hardware features like 3G data and GPS, but perhaps most notably, introduced the world to the App Store. Apple's supply stage allows users to browse and download third-party applications, which as of early 2018 has housed more than 2 million apps. June 2010, this changes everything. Again. The first iPhone available on Verizon's wireless network introduced many transcendent features to the public, all packed into what would be unveiled as iPhone 4. Those included a higher-resolution Retina display, Apple's first front-facing camera, multitasking functionality, and FaceTime. October 2011, saying hello to Siri and goodbye to Steve Jobs. Apple's co-founder passed away the day after the announcement of iPhone 4s, though he did oversee the development of iPhone 5, which would eventually hit stores in September 2012. The S stood for Siri, an intelligent personal assistant exclusive at the time to the 4s. September 2014, plus-size models introduced. The iPhone 6 Plus joined the iPhone 6 in a simultaneous release in 2014, marketed as bigger than bigger and the two and only. The iPhone 6 Plus set the tone for display size, as subsequent iPhone 7 Plus and iPhone 8 Plus models also sport a 5.5 screen, while the traditional iPhone 6, iPhone 7 and iPhone 8 versions have all been 4.7. September 2017, say hello to the future. Phone X became the first Apple phone to usher in OLED screen technology, wireless charging, and an edge-to-edge screen display. The home button was removed, and now Face ID allows users to unlock their phone with a look, and emojis mimicked their movements. September 2018: Welcome to the big screens. iPhone XS and iPhone XS Max deliver Super Retina in two sizes, including the largest display ever on an iPhone, faster Face ID, a smarter and more powerful chip, and a breakthrough dual-camera system. As an alternative, iPhone XR is engineered with an all-new liquid Retina display, allowing you to see true to life color from one edge of your screen to the other on the largest LCD ever for an iPhone. For detail, please visit my YouTube channel and please subscribe. For detail please visit my YouTube channel and please subscribe.